Eating them in their raw form can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or even intestinal blockage. It's crucial to prepare chia seeds properly by soaking them in liquid or incorporating them into cooked recipes. While chia seeds are known for their nutritional benefits, it's crucial to understand how they should never be consumed. Before we discuss the ways you should never consume chia seeds, let's quickly recap their positive attributes. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and various essential nutrients. When consumed correctly, they can provide several health benefits, such as improved digestion, increased energy levels, and enhanced heart health. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable tips, tricks, and insights to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Remember to share this video with your friends and family to help us spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. Point number 1. When dry chia seeds come into contact with any form of liquid, whether it's water, juice, or even saliva, they undergo a fascinating transformation. They rapidly absorb the liquid and form a gel-like substance in your stomach. This gel-like consistency is due to the high soluble fiber content present in chia seeds. Now, this gel-like substance may seem harmless at first, but it can pose a risk if you fail to drink enough fluids alongside it. Here's why. Dehydration. The gel formed by chia seeds can actually absorb a significant amount of liquid. If you consume dry chia seeds without proper hydration, this gel can absorb moisture from your digestive system, leading to dehydration. This can be especially concerning if you're not drinking enough fluids throughout the day. Digestive discomfort. The gel-like substance created by chia seeds can also expand in your stomach, potentially causing digestive discomfort. This may result in bloating, gas, or even stomach cramps, which can be quite uncomfortable. Point number 2. When chia seeds are consumed in their dry form, they can present certain hazards to the esophagus, the muscular tube connecting the throat to the stomach. Here are a few reasons why. Swallowing difficulties. Dry chia seeds have a tendency to clump together, forming a sticky mass when they come into contact with saliva. If you consume dry chia seeds without properly hydrating them, this clumping effect can make it challenging for the esophagus to transport the seeds smoothly to the stomach. They may get stuck in the throat or create a sensation of food being lodged, leading to discomfort and difficulty swallowing. Expansion in the esophagus. Chia seeds have a remarkable ability to absorb liquid and expand in size. When dry chia seeds reach the esophagus, they can rapidly absorb saliva and other fluids present, causing them to swell and enlarge. This expansion increases the risk of the seeds becoming lodged in the narrow passage of the esophagus, potentially causing obstruction and discomfort. Irritation and inflammation. The dry texture of chia seeds can be abrasive to the delicate lining of the esophagus. When swallowed in their dry form, chia seeds may scrape or scratch the esophageal tissues, leading to irritation and inflammation. This can result in symptoms such as pain, burning sensation, or even mild bleeding in some cases. Point number 3. Avoid excessive chia seed consumption. While they are nutrient-dense, moderation is key. Chia seeds are high in calories, and consuming large amounts can contribute to calorie overload and unwanted weight gain. It's essential to stick to recommended serving sizes, typically around 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, depending on your individual needs. To avoid the potential dangers associated with consuming dry chia seeds, here are some steps you can take. Proper hydration. Always ensure that you hydrate chia seeds adequately before consuming them. Soaking chia seeds in water or any liquid of your choice allows them to absorb moisture gradually, reducing the risk of clumping and expansion in the esophagus. As a general guideline, aim to soak chia seeds for about 15–20 minutes before consuming them. Soaked chia seed recipes. Incorporate soaked chia seeds into recipes where they are thoroughly hydrated and mixed with other ingredients. Chia seed puddings, smoothies, or overnight oats are excellent examples of recipes that involve soaking chia seeds. By incorporating them into these types of dishes, you can ensure their safe consumption and enjoy their nutritional benefits. Hydration alongside consumption. If you prefer to consume dry chia seeds directly or sprinkle them on top of foods, It is crucial to drink plenty of fluids alongside them. This helps ensure that the seeds have enough moisture to form the gel-like substance outside of your body, reducing the risk of any complications in the esophagus. Individual considerations. Take into account your own health condition and any specific concerns you may have. If you have a history of swallowing difficulties or gastrointestinal issues, exercise caution when consuming chia seeds. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs. By following these steps, you can minimize the potential dangers associated with consuming dry chia seeds. Remember, the key is to prioritize hydration and ensure that the chia seeds are properly soaked or incorporated into recipes where they are adequately hydrated. Your safety and well-being should always be the top priority when it comes to incorporating any food into your diet.